You know, one of the joys of being a professional chef, even if you're a professional chef, is the ability to cook for your family, right? When you have a family sitting on the table and you put something out, the anticipation of seeing the smile on their face is something that would make anybody happy. Or just follow the recipe. Spring onions. Now it's time for the mushrooms. Another reason why family meals can get complicated is the choice of ingredients, right? Just make sure that there is something for everybody. The meatiness and the umami liking members, there's the mushroom, tomato for juiciness, scallions for freshness, and cream for the Indian richness. Time to put the BARILLA penne. You know, one of the reasons I love pasta as a family meal is because culturally, you know, in Italy and India, eating together is really, really important. Pasta just fits in with the family meal, and also it just gives nutrition, nourishment, flavor, texture, everything that the family wants and that I want to give my family. So we're going to cook half a packet of pasta, which is around 300 grams, 3 liters water. How long do you cook a pasta for? You have to turn the packet around. In this case, it's 11 minutes. Butter and olive oil, the best combination ever. As soon as the butter melts, put the garlic. All of us get this request saying, hey, when can we have restaurant style food at home? But pasta kind of fits that bill perfectly. Being exotic, yet being able to be easy to cook and comfort at the same time. Here go the mushrooms. Roughly crushed black cardamom. Ah, see the whole perfume changed. Here goes cooking cream. Dice some tomatoes. Beautiful. So this is perfect. It's left a little bit of doneness for the pasta to finish in the sauce. And just for the sauce to come together, tomatoes and cheese, very important. Let's take out the black cardamom. You do not want whole spices. A little bit of cheese to finish. And this is what I'd call a perfect family dinner.